With Ting, it's easy to make the internet your internet. Here are 5 simple steps to make that happen. Step 1. Check your address at ting.com and sign up for service. Step 2. Order your service and schedule your installation. Your installation will be set up as a 2-hour window that will be carried out within 2 to 3 weeks. This timeline ensures we can work safely to locate underground utilities. Business internet customers can customize their installation by connecting directly with our team. Step 3. A specialized contractor connects fiber to the outside of your home. For this process, you aren't required to be home. Step 4. During a separate visit, a professional installer will set up your equipment inside. Someone 18 years or older will need to be present for this step. We suggest not canceling your current provider until you're fully set up. We don't charge you anything until your service is live and running. You'll get 2 reminder emails, a day of text, and you can reschedule anytime by signing into your account. Step 5. Plug in your router and start using your internet. We know the internet can feel big and endless, but with Ting, it can connect you to unlimited opportunities. Your fast internet is here. Welcome to Ting.